Hello and welcome! Today, we'll explore networks and cover everything you need to know for this assignment. Get ready to dive into network types, configurations, and security essentials. A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices. These devices communicate to share resources and information. Networks can be wired or wireless. They vary in size from small home networks to large global networks. Understanding their structure is crucial for any IT technician. Client computers request services from a server. Peer computers, however, share resources equally. In client-server networks, servers manage resources centrally. Peer-to-peer networks distribute resources among all devices. Each model has its advantages and limitations. A local area network, or LAN, spans a small area. It connects devices within a building. A wide area network, or WAN, covers larger distances. WANs connect multiple LANs across cities or countries. Each serves different organizational needs. Network topology refers to the arrangement of network elements. Common topologies include star, bus, and ring. Each has unique benefits and constraints. The choice of topology affects network performance. Understanding these impacts is key for network design. Network communications rely on hardware, software, and addressing. Hardware includes routers and switches. Software manages data flow and security. Addressing ensures data reaches the correct destination. Together, they enable seamless communication. Networks face various issues like congestion and security breaches. Congestion slows down data transfer. Security breaches threaten data integrity. Identifying and resolving these issues is crucial. Proactive management ensures network reliability. Setting up a LAN involves several steps. First, gather necessary hardware like routers and cables. Next, configure network settings on each device. Testing ensures all devices communicate effectively. Proper setup prevents future issues. LANs offer high-speed connectivity within a limited area. WANs provide global reach, but may have slower speeds. Both have unique features and services. Evaluating these helps in selecting the right network type. Each serves specific business needs. Network security is a major concern. Threats include hacking and data theft. Implementing strong security measures is essential. Regular updates and monitoring reduce risks. Protecting data ensures network integrity. Correct. Minimizing risks involves various strategies. Use firewalls to block unauthorized access. Encryption protects data during transmission. Regular audits identify vulnerabilities. Educating users on security practices is crucial. Configuring security on a LAN is vital. Start by setting strong passwords. Enable network encryption protocols. Regularly update security software. Monitor network activity for suspicious behavior. A professional document requires clear headings and subheadings. Use Harvard referencing for citations. Ensure the document is presentable and within word limits. Avoid plagiarism by properly acknowledging sources. A well-structured document enhances readability. Submitting assignments requires a declaration of authenticity. Confirm understanding of plagiarism policies. Ensure the work is original and properly cited. Acknowledge electronic scrutiny for academic honesty. This maintains academic integrity. Assignments should be in Word format. Follow guidelines for submission. Include a cover sheet with necessary details. Ensure the document meets all format requirements. Proper formatting reflects professionalism. The guidance document should cover key network topics. Explain network types and configurations. Address potential issues and solutions. Provide clear instructions and examples. This ensures comprehensive understanding. Evaluating network services involves assessing features. Consider speed, reliability, and scalability. Compare different network types. Identify which best meets organizational needs. A thorough evaluation guides informed decisions. Submit assignments via the specified email. Ensure all requirements are met. Include a comprehensive reference list. Follow submission deadlines strictly. Proper submission is crucial for assessment. Utilize available resources like ebooks and journals. They provide valuable insights and data. Refer to these for comprehensive understanding. Ensure sources are reliable and cited correctly. Effective use of resources enhances learning. This is the conclusion of the video. From understanding network types to ensuring security, you've gained essential insights. This guide equips you to tackle network challenges effectively. Apply these principles to excel as an IT network technician. If you have questions, message us on WhatsApp at 0748461688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.